Oh, hey, Rex!
You killed my cat.
Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse?
Yes!
Well, all right. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. Say it with me now. Miska! Moska! Mickey Mouse!
Wait, why are you backing up?
Here we go!
I'm finally up. What's that in the sky? I can escape! Bye, Mickey! Bye!
Toodles!
Wait! I have a fear of heights!
Johnny. No!